Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Layla swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Number 9. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 8. Shakir Pasha Ailesi. The series is based on the story of the Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal, only to give rise to some of the 20th century greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and history writer living in Biokada. When his eldest son Jivat returned from Oxford with an Italian wife, they all lived together in the family villa, where the Bohemian Jivat was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jivat's wife and lifestyle. But Jivat's wife became infatuated with the older man and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. Number 7. Deha. Devran, a mathematical prodigy, has made a groundbreaking discovery in his doctoral thesis. He plans to go to US with his childhood love Esme after getting a university scholarship. However, the only person Devran wants to impress with this success is his father Iskandar, who abandoned his family years ago. While protecting his family from Iskandar, Devran struggles to stop his younger brother Boran from getting involved with their father, who already has plans for Boran. Devran's plans have to change after Boran enters Iskandar's world. Number 6. Seakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of the Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jehan and his reluctant fiancée Sivilai. Number 5. Sahib Sizzler. A story of 6 siblings, Azize, Kemo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy track back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardin. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardin's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a scheduled family in the forest, raising 6 children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shattered their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, The siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. Number 4. Annam Ankara. Zohal Soydashli is a mother of three, married to Hassan, a man emotionally distant and shaped by a troubled childhood. After discovering his infidelity, Zohal, once a respected officer, struggles to rebuild her life and care for her children. Her journey through heartbreak, resilience, and the challenges of holding her family together forms the emotional core of this Turkish TV series. Number 3. Bir Gece Masali, Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Kurshad Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Janfiza, the daughter of Kurshad, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Kurshad, waiting for him to slip up. Mahir realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kurshad's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. Number 2. Se Alama Istanbul. Set in Istanbul, this series revolves around an impossible love. Shahrazad, a resilient and hopeful young woman studying in medical school, dreams of a bright future with her beloved Farhat. However, their lives are turned upside down when Farhat is wrongfully sentenced to death. In a desperate attempt to save him from the gallows, Shahrazad turns to Bukbe, a man known for his dark influence, but there is a catch that she is unaware of. No favor from Bukbe comes without a price, as the unhappy marriage of Bukbe's daughter Shireen and his nephew Kubat intervenes with his plans to maintain his empire. Everyone's lives will be irrevocably changed, and nothing will ever be the same again. Number 1. Bahar. Bahar 20 years ago graduated from medical school but chose to be a housewife instead of pursuing a career in medicine. She is married to the successful surgeon Temur Yavuzolu and has dedicated her life to her husband and children. The seemingly happy Yavuzolu family is shaken by Bahar's illness. Bahar's doctor Evran is determined to save her and says that the only solution is a liver transplant. The only compatible liver in the family belongs to Temur. For the Yavuzolu family, who are tested with a major threshold, nothing will be the same again. If you like our video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.